think that it's not meant to be. But if you're going to reach your destiny, you have to have a made-up mind. If you give up after the first time, or the 5th time, or the 30th time, what that really means is you didn't want it bad enough. There should be something you're believing for that you are relentless. You are not moved by how impossible it looks. You're not discouraged by how long it's taking. You don't give up because people told you no. Your attitude is, if I have to believe my whole life, I am not going to stop believing. I am not going to take no for an answer. I'm not going to settle for mediocrity. I'm going to keep pursuing what's in my heart.
And ask ourselves, what do I really want? What do I really want? And write it down. Writing causes thinking. Thinking creates an image. And you get these images going, you're building a vision in your mind. It's the visionaries that's changed the world. Think of that.
But what keeps that competitive edge, what keeps you on top, is the ability to think and prepare mentally over and over and over again. The body has limitations, the mind does not. We focus so much on what goes on from the neck down that we forget it all starts from here. Everything starts from here. If you're not mentally ready, you're never really physically prepared. And that's where the preparation starts.
What would your life be like as you look toward the future if you decided, I'm not going to allow my fears to stop me? And I'm saying to you, whatever you got to do it, because if you don't, life is going to whoop you until you surrender.
So when you're young and you're making mistakes, don't let them eat you up. Because everybody that done made it, done made them. You got to fail in order to win. Hey, look, man, to understand how to hit the game-winning shot, you got to miss the game-winning shot. You know, you got to be tough because the road to success is always under construction. It's never a clear path to success. The people who become successful are the people who have a relentless attitude. And you just got to hang in there through the bad breaks, because the bad breaks is coming, but they usually come right before the big break is about to happen. You get a series of bad breaks and it stumbles up a lot of people. My life and my success is to say to anyone, you can stumble, you can fall, you can get back up again.
No matter what you face, no matter how bad it is going to be, when there is a challenge, and by a challenge, I mean anything in life, any challenge, anything that you're facing, the only way to overcome the challenges that you face is to start walking. Take that step every day, no matter what you are facing. Get up and start walking.
I have the ability to see the end before the beginning even begins. And what that means is I know that to get to the very end, I can see it right now. So before I went to Buds and I was losing all this weight and shit, I saw myself walking across the stage at 191 pounds, because that's what I had to get to get into the door. I saw myself 6 months, a year later, whatever it's going to take me to do it, I saw myself walking across that stage, getting that certificate of graduation from Buds. And I was able to be there at 300 pounds. And that feeling that I was nowhere near that feeling, I was able to put myself there 1,000,000 times every day. And that feeling of like, my God, that is going to feel amazing. That's what made me suffer. That's what allowed the pain to be real and say, this is worth it. I want to feel for this next 18 months. It took me 18 months to finally become a Navy SEAL, to finally, just get through Buds. 18 months, it's 6 months. It took me 18. That's what woke me up every morning was I'm gonna put myself through this much pain and suffering for a few seconds. That's all it is. A few seconds of joy. And it's so worth it, man. That's what people don't get. So I'm able to put myself at the finish line, even though I have no finish line, but at the finish line of an event before I even start the to say, how are you going to feel at the end of this? Visualizing is my biggest tool of life. That's why I've been able to put myself in cold water, put myself in a 100-mile race millions of times before I've done it. And I'm able to go through the race and see how I'm going to feel at mile 50, almost to the exact feeling.
Right, so when it comes up, it's no surprise.
It's no surprise. I've already done this a million times.
I recommended the last time I was here, the little book, Richest Man in Babylon, and I said, I've lectured now to over 3 million people. Guess how many have actually gone and got this little book? Answer, very few. My best guess is 10%. Such an easy thing to do. This little book, number one, is easy to find. Number two, it's easy to buy. The most you can pay for it, $6, $7, $8. You can borrow that from your kids. But if it's easy to find and easy to buy, and if it's easy to read, why wouldn't everybody go get it? We don't know. I don't know. Nobody knows. Here's how profound it is. Some do and some don't. Now here's the numbers. About 10% do. We don't know the mystery of that. And I'm telling you, 10 years from now, those numbers will still be the same. The numbers don't change. Only the faces change. I used to belong to the 90% who couldn't be bothered even if it was easy. How many people have a library card? Answer, 3%. 97% couldn't be bothered. Guy specializes in happy hour, but he doesn't have a card. And now readily and quickly blames the government and blames his company and blames the pay scale. Here's my advice to you today. Walk away from the 97%. Don't talk like they talk. Don't go where they go. Don't act like they act. Don't specialize in what they specialize in. Throw away the blame list they cling to.
You got to be consciously conscious today because your environment can hypnotize, mesmerize, and paralyze you.
The other thing is, take full responsibility for your life.
Oscar Wilde once said, responsibility is what we expect from somebody else. This is very true. Most people dread accepting responsibility. That's just a fact of life, and we can see it in operation every day. We can see ourselves getting hot under the collar when the dentist keeps us waiting, and we're sitting there reading old magazines when our appointment was 30 minutes ago. And we don't stop to think that we forgot to mail in this month's mortgage payment. We can see ourselves growing angrier and angrier because a business contact is supposed to call at noon, and here it is almost 2 o'clock, and the phone still refuses to ring. But we don't stop to think about the calls we ourselves have forgotten to return while we've been so busy fuming. We can see ourselves writing an angry letter to the airline because a flight was delayed, but we don't write an angry letter to ourselves when we're late for something, even though that might not be a bad idea at all. Yes, we can see avoidance of responsibility all the time in both our personal and professional lives. And here's something else we can see just as often. We can see that most people aren't as successful as they wish they were. Do you see there's a connection between these two very common phenomena? I certainly do, and by the end of this session, I hope you'll agree with me. I hope you'll understand that it's in your best interests to take responsibility for everything you do. But that's only the beginning. I'm also going to suggest that many times it's even best to accept responsibility for the mistakes of others, especially when you're in a managerial or leadership role. I can hear you saying, what? Accept responsibility for someone else's mess-ups? Why would I want to do something like that? Well, that's a fair enough question, and over the next few minutes, I'll try to answer it.
One of my weak points in my personal life is I don't like technical stuff. So even though I have to be on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook, I don't care for that. So guess what? I find somebody who loves to do that. You know, I find somebody who has a strength where I will have a weakness, and I partner with them. All you're trying to do is get to the goal. No one gets there by themselves. Everybody needs help. Now, when you know what you got going for you, be confident, not cocky. Managing your strengths, knowing what they are, and don't let nobody talk you out of it. And that gets you fight ready. You get fight ready like that. You got to know you. Helps you develop your skills. All the while, you're developing your strength. You just got to keep developing the strength. Don't let anybody talk you. At the same time, you must work on improving your weaknesses. So I've had to, in spite of myself, get on Instagram, get on Twitter, get on Facebook. I got to do the videos whether I want to or not because the world is moving to social media. If I had as many followers as Kim Kardashian, I probably wouldn't even have to do this TV show.
During the years when professional basketball was just beginning to become really popular, Bill Russell, who played center for the Boston Celtics, was one of the greatest players in the pro league. He was especially known for his rebounding and his defensive skills. But like a lot of very tall centers, Russell was never much of a free throw shooter. His free throw percentage was quite a bit below average, in fact.
Yo, what is up, guys? Give me a second here. Let me start my webcam. How do you use Nexigo today? I'm kind of down. Okay, what's up, guys? How you doing? How's everybody doing? Chilling? Good fucking morning. Appreciate all 5 of you for being here. I've had a beautiful week so far and a fuck ton of news so far, bro. We have been surviving, pillaging the game through all these red folder news, bro. Doing good, working right now. How you doing? I'm chilling, brother. You working while you watching me stream? I appreciate you. I'm chilling, bro. I've been having a bad time with eating fucking snacks at fucking 11 o'clock at night, and it's been not working so well in the mornings. But you just drink the coffee, you get it out, and you move forward. All right, guys. So today, same as yesterday, bro. We have 8:30 news. Will we wait till after news? Hopefully not. I'd like to take the trade before news, but if so, we wait till after news. What the fuck ever. I'm cool with it. We'll go ahead and run you guys through what happened yesterday. It was all called live for you guys. I hope you participated within these buys. I just hopped on with VIP. Which is only one person, by the way. It was my boy Callie is the only one who was on the stream, and we caught this banger together, brother, just like we talked about on the stream. Okay, so we go down to 5 minutes. We'll bust it down right quick. What we were waiting for was for news to come all the way down to our extreme demand so we can take this demand trade. Okay, so we had this marked up. There's a 5-minute demand in here as well, but also a 15-minute. We were waiting to get some type of reaction here to continue higher. Well, what happened when we came in the zone? We got no fucking reaction, bro. No respect. So I was like, okay, obviously we're going to take out these lows, which is also psychological level lows, which is also London lows, which is also taking out our last demand of this impulse leg up. And then as soon as we get some type of reaction, we'll take the trade coming all the way up. So that's exactly what we did. I'll show you guys here that it was called in VIP. Easy fucking money here, 941. It was about 10 minutes before we hopped off stream with you guys, and we smashed all TPs, bro. You guys know what it is. You know what it does. You know where we at. And I'm looking to do it again today. And clean, bro. Literally 0 drawdown. As soon as we hopped in, TP1 immediately fucking hit within 5 minutes. 10 minutes, I guess. Within 10 minutes. Let's be fair here. Mickey, what's going on, brother? How you doing? If you guys caught the trade, please let me know. I mean, we did a full breakdown on it. I know I left you guys about 10 minutes beforehand, but I know somebody in this bitch was looking at that. So, holla at your boy. Okay, let's take it from the top. Give you guys my breakdown, and we can kick it and chill till after news if nothing happens. Before news, definitely trying to take a trade before news, but nothing's really lining up, bro. We got some extremes to hit again. So we just wait, bro. As far as DJ, and I broke this down in my free channel. The link is below if you guys want to get my full breakdown before here. But I mean, honestly, bro, for you guys who show up for my live, there's no reason for you guys to watch those breakdowns, as I'm doing the exact same thing for you. Now, I'm also putting other things in there and giveaways in there. So if you want to join, fucking holla at me, bro. Okay? 1 hour. What's been happening, bro? All last couple days. I mean, shit, all week on GJ, bro. We've finally been flying. And then as soon as it hits into New York time, bro, we just consolidate like a motherfucker before continuing anywhere. So London today, we finally broke above this 178,500 level. And London, we just retraced just a bit of this move for the entire London. However, we're sitting at 178,500, which is amazing, bro. Look at all these lines I have. And we've yeeted past all of them. So we do have to draw our next psychological level. Give me a second here to do so. And then we'll continue forward here. Just so we know where we're at, boys. I'll put one there, one here. I'm sure that'll take us through the rest of the week, if not at least today. Okay, let's run it. So hourly is bouncing off of this 178,500 level, okay? So I'm still looking for buys. This is where everybody starts saying, okay, we've been continuing up this entire fucking week. Now we're going to start calling tops. Now we're going to start melting from here. Sure, that could definitely happen. I'm just not a guy to call tops. Supply and demand for me is a trend trading strategy. You guys have to understand this. So if you're going against trend and you lose, don't be upset with yourself, bro. Or if you're having a hard time figuring out how to find what the trend is, even though we're fucking flying right now, get your 200 out. I use the EMA because it's closer to where current price is at. And use the EMA, bro. If it goes underneath it, wow, we're bearish. If it's above it, we're bullish. Very fucking simple. It really can be so simple, bro. I would like you guys to start going on the hourly and meshing the hourly with that to understand where actual price structure is at, okay? So we have a higher low formed right here. We have a higher low that we're forming right here. It just hasn't formed yet. Why? Because we haven't made new highs yet. So it's like, okay, until we break past at least this low, which are London lows, we should only be looking for buys, bro. And more often than not, when you guys are trading with trend, you will be profitable. Rick, what's popping, brother? Good to see you this morning. Okay, so going down to 15 minute, we could absolutely see that we've taken out all of these higher lows sitting here, okay? The S200 is not on the side. We understand this is a retracement trade, but we are taking out all these higher lows, indicate we may potentially start to retrace back down this entire move. So do we take this trade and call tops? Fuck no, we don't, bro. We just watch it and understand where the market potentially reverse off of. So I marked up this 5 minute supply sitting up here. There is a gap sitting before it. There is a high to take out before getting up into it. We had a nice initial reaction coming off of it, but then it came right back up into that zone. Again, just not taking it, just understand where the market could potentially go. So we do have this sitting here, which hasn't been tapped into yet, which I'm just now looking at for the first time. And we have a major low that already got taken out before coming down into it. The 200 is obviously underside, and we're trading above this 178,500 level, which is also London low. So I probably will not participate in this. I really want these equal lows to be taken out first, which will also be London lows, before coming down into this demand and then continuing higher. That's why I have my alarm down here. I don't want to get stuck in any of this price range, bro, before news. You know what I'm saying? We're just taking it easy here. We're literally at a 1 to 8 for the week between two trades. Not me. I'm at a 1 to 5. I participated my GJ trade. I took all the way to a TP3, and my NAS trade yesterday I took to a TP2. 1 to 5. I'm fucking chilling, bro. Pretty much a 1 to 1 every day this week. So let's see what happens. I will keep this up here just so we can understand where the market could potentially go, but I will not be trading off this level. Just not a clean setup to me at all. But we can understand where this lines up with our strategy for you risky motherfuckers who can't wait to take a goddamn trade. This week has been a crazy week. To add to it, there's still red folder news today. Oh yeah, bro. Red news all fucking day. Every single day this week. Literally every single day this week except for Monday, I believe, right? Yes, Monday we did not have any news. But I mean, clap it up for yourselves, bro. We've had a fantastic week. We've already taken one no trade day, so we only have 2 trades this week, and it's fucking Thursday, bro, and we're chilling. R to R trumps all. I'm cool with that. Kind of feeling like a swing trader out here, only trading 2 times in a week. But we're just fighting the battle here, and we're winning so far. So today we got 8:30 news. This news I don't really care about this because we don't trade Euro news. And then 8:30 we have core retail sales and unemployment claims. So just something to be wary of. If we don't take a trade before 8, which it looks like we're not going to, then we just have to wait till 8:30 to take a trade. Very simple. You guys know the deal. Okay, so GJ, ugly as fuck. Not looking for anything until we come all the way down here. Now, GU. GU, we'll go to the 1 hour first. What in London, we've been continuing up for the past 4 hours, coming up into this little minor supply we got sitting up here. Obviously we're still in a bullish trend. This is our impulse leg that we are playing off of, and demand is honestly not working too well. Okay, we had a demand setup sitting right here on the hourly. No respect on its name, bro. During news yesterday, it just yeeted the shit at 2:30. And every time we come down into it, we have no respect to the zone. Completely out of there. So we're potentially going to come all the way down to this hourly demand before anything is going to happen. And again, we're only taking buys because we don't call tops and bottoms. So going down into the 15-minute, we have our London highs. We have our London lows. We don't have any type of demand or supply sitting in this price range again at all. It's like the same thing as GJ. We're just waiting for exteriors to hit before trading. We don't want to get stuck in this range, especially during news. So just kind of chilling. How often do you backtest to see if you need to tweak a thing or two in your strategy? Do you just put yourself through the test of live markets only? All right, so before we continue, dude, I fucking used to backtest every single day, bro. Whether I lost a trade, I'm backtesting. Or I win a trade, I'm backtesting. Backtest, which I suggest you guys to do if you're trying to tweak your own strategy to make it fit you. Obviously, I can teach you the concepts of what I do or the concepts of supply and demand, but you have to make it personal to you as to what works, whether that's time frame, an extra rule you need to add in for it to merge with you know what is profitable for you, whatever. But nowadays, bro, for just not nowadays, probably the past like 3-4 months, I haven't backtested at all, bro. Sometimes I hop on with Luca and I'll backtest with him for like 30 minutes to an hour just to chop it up and shit and kick it, but I really don't backtest anymore, bro. I think that my strategy is king, and all these little tweaks I will figure out through live trading with you guys every day. So I'm chilling. J-Rock, join the group, bro. I got you. Teach you anything you need to know, my dude. So on DU 15-minute, we're just waiting for exteriors to hit, bro. We're not fucking with any of this at all. If we never come down into it and we just rain sideways and not do shit, fine by me. I just won't take a fucking trade. I don't care, bro. I'm chilling. I'm good enough to take a trade for the rest of the week. I'm chilling. Little bit of cap. I'm a scalper and I love to fucking trade. I'm itching right now for a trade, but we'll wait for strategy. Okay, going down to 5-minute. We did have this demand sitting here. Okay, 200 is on our side. It came down into this demand and had decent reaction at 625. I just wasn't up, so I didn't take the trade. Very simple. We did have lows to take out before coming down into our zone. As you guys know, if there's some type of liquidity not being taken out, I'm not taking the fucking trade, bro. It's very simple. We actually had 2 lows taken out before we came down into it, but we just weren't up. So we're waiting for new structure. This is our current impulse leg on the 5 minute. There's nothing here that I would trade off of anymore. And so we just wait. We're chilling. I have no alarm set for GJ or for GU. We just have to wait and see what happens. AU finally giving us new structure here. This is actually a clean trade. Hopefully we can take this before news. 1 hour. What's been going on? Same thing. We've been continuing higher, bro, for a minute. But we finally broke past this protected low like we were talking about to potentially take sells. But until the 200 is on our side, because we understand we've still been fucking mobbing up forever, bro. We don't want to call tops within the market, but just understand we came up, we came down to take out these protected lows, and then we tried to come back up to create new highs and fucking failed. Go down to the 15 minute. During London, we just kind of been trading sideways, no real volume in the market, but we have just taken out London lows sitting here to potentially continue higher. I don't think we're going to continue higher. I think we're going to continue down lower to this next price range since we've already broke into it, but we're just not going against trend right before news. Like this is the same trade we took yesterday, not nearly as clean, so I'm not going to take it, but taking out London lows, which is also taking out the 68,000 level, but then starting to begin to trade back in above the 68,000 level. You guys could potentially take these liquid grabs. Only time I would take these, and then obviously take it up to London highs. The only time I would take these is if the 200 is on my side, higher time frames are on my side. I need all my confluence to line up before taking a trade like this, and it just doesn't here, so I just won't take the trade. Okay, so what we're looking for, 200 is on our side. We have a gap sitting before the supply. We have a high to take out before coming up into the supply. We've already taken out London lows. So when we get up into the zone, we will see what happens. We just have to understand again that we're bullish. So it's just not the fucking cleanest setup, bro. Not gonna cap. And then Nat, sir, you don't trade gold. I don't trade gold, bro, but no cap. If DJ continues to fucking consolidate the way it has been during New York, we might have to just pull a little, send her out of there and bring gold back up into there. Then we have all USD pairs. And I don't trade London anymore, but GJ has been hella baby during London, you know? I've been trading London every year of my career until this year is the first year that I started with New York, and going to continue with New York. So I don't want to give her up, but GJ is notorious for fucking manipulation and liquid grabs, bro. Like, it really does not like to hold our supply and demand levels. It'll take them out and then continue in the direction you want it to go into. So I don't know if I want to fuck with that any longer, but we shall see. I mean, our first banger of the week was on DJ, so no shade, no shade. 1 hour. What's been going on for London? We have just been bleeding down on London, bro, trying to retrace this whole move, just like the rest of our pairs. We just don't like to call tops. So usually when people call tops, it'll give them a nice little bit of profit, and then it'll continue higher, which could potentially happen off of this demand sitting right here. And I don't want to get caught up in that shit, bro. The markets honestly look ugly as fuck today. I remember you passing the fun and challenge on Daniel's stream. Almost all gold, bro. Literally almost all gold. And that's hilarious, dude. That was like 2 weeks before I met Daniel in person for the first time, bro. That's when a lot of shit changed for me as far as getting more intertwined with the bigger guys in the industry. And I met Dollar like a couple months after that, and it literally all started from that one stream. So that's fucking hilarious that you remember that stream, bro. It was a big stream for me, bro. That was when I got 200K funded on Daniel's stream. He shouted me out and fucking messaged me. He's like, yo, bro, come hang out. Might have to bring back the gold goat back. You know what I'm saying? So here, 15 minute. We don't really have much here except for this supply sitting up here, which I fucking love because it's sitting at the psychological level. But we just have to understand we're still taking a retracement trade if we take this zone because this is our impulse leg up. Little bit risky, bro. And I don't know if I fuck with that at all on a Thursday, but we shall see. I mean, 5 minute is telling us that we can take sales because we have the 200 on our side. We've already been retracing since New York of yesterday. We've already filled in this entire gap. We already taken out these lows here, but we still have a major gap to fill in here before coming down into this hourly demand. So we shall see. I'm not scared to take this trade. I'm just, in my opinion, thinking that we are going to go to extremes today, like I said on GJ. So I think 830 is going to hit. We're going to go blow past all of this shit. We're going to come all the way up into our extreme supply, and then we're going to continue lower, which is a trade that I really want to take up here. So we shall see. I'm being cautious. The markets, again, just look kind of ugly as fuck to me today. Nothing's like super clean except for NAS, and I guess except for GJ as well on these buys sitting down here. We just got to be patient, bro. GPY basket looks very bearish, looking to wick fill on the weekly. I don't use the basket, bro. I don't use the basket. I don't use DXY. I don't use UCAD for a correlation. I just trade what I see on the pair that I'm trying to trade. I used to try to mess all that shit together, bro. It's like, I guess more often than not, it does correlate, but it doesn't help me with my strategy as a scalper because I'm not looking for true trend for my trades. I'm just looking at immediate trend on the 15-minute or 5-minute and trying to trade based upon the, the impulse leg that I'm currently sitting in. Like this one is sitting here. I'm just trying to trade the structure sitting here. I don't need higher time frames to show me anything about that. AU. I'm just trading this impulse leg here. What was the impulse leg before? It was this guy sitting up here. Now that we broke past it, we're looking at our new impulse leg, which is this guy sitting here. Okay, we came all the way up into the supply sitting up here, and then we melted and now made new structure. So now this is our new impulse leg. This is all we're trading is just price ranges, bro. So I'm trying to capitalize on sales sitting here. To you. This is my impulse leg sitting up here. So until we break past this low or break up past this high, we're just trying to capitalize on this impulse leg here. But again, it already tapped into it and already made its move, so we're just not fucking with it anymore. GJ. This is our impulse leg here. Then we broke past it, taking out all these lows. And so now we're only looking for our new impulse leg, which is this here. We're trying to find supply and demand within these impulse legs to capitalize off of. Just very, very, very smaller time frame shit. Anyways, what's up, guys? What's fucking cracking, bro? How you guys doing? I'm about to have me a fire fucking smoothie today. I got pears, I got mangoes, I got strawberries, and some fucking coconut water. Let me bring in my Zoom here. And I'm fucking lit for it. But we'll wait until I get into a trade. I'll go hop on that. I'm about to go get me some coffee here soon. I ran out of coffee. Hawk, you need to hop on live, bro. I'm going to go hop on your shit. I'm going to go storm your stream. By the way, if you guys go follow J-Rock Off FS, he does go live during New York. I'll let him tell you what times he goes live. And the boy trades like the banks. I'm not liking DJ at all for this week. I'm looking for a gold trade for news. Yeah, I remember you saying you're looking for gold sales. So for the purposes of my boy Alessandro, let's go fucking look at gold, bro. Okay, I don't have any psychologicals mapped up. Doesn't matter. What has been happening here, guys? So all fucking week we have been trending lower, making lower highs, making lower lows, making lower highs, making lower lows. So how can we capitalize off of sales? We go down to the 15-minute. Do we have any demands that have a gap sitting before it? Well, fuck yeah, we do. We got one sitting here. We have a beautiful gap sitting before it. Obviously 200 is way on our side sitting here. And we also have a guy sitting way the fuck up here. The extreme supply, as I like to call it. We have a major high to take out before getting up into that supply. And I usually don't look for these extreme supply and demands unless it's news days, bro, because we can actually get way the fuck up there. 151 pips. Jeez. As of right now, on the 5-minute, we have a ton of supply sitting up here. Okay, so what's happened during London? London ended up making these new lows sitting right here. So now we're trying to trade this impulse leg down. It's very, very simple shit, guys. So you guys could have marked up this supply sitting up here. Okay, there was a little gap sitting before it. You could have participated there as soon as it broke lows. Put stops above the zone, or you can put stops above the highest wick. You damn near would have got taken out there. And barely hit a 1-to-1, bro. Goddamn motherfucking pearl, okay? And it's like, okay, you still want to trade because you can't take your profits and you're dying out here to take another trade. You could have marked this guy sitting up here. But although we had a minor gap sitting before coming up into the zone, it already tapped up here and closed out this gap. So I wouldn't have participated. And if you did, even if you participated in this higher supply sitting up here, you would have got wrecked, my guy. Unless you participate in this higher one and then boom, melts all the way down. If you were like me, which there's no gap before this, so I wouldn't have taken it. I would have taken the previous candle break, which had been sitting right here, small ass candle, put stops above these highs for a little 18-point move. And then we're looking to chase lows first and then looking to chase those London lows, which would be a nice little 1 to 3. We would have got taken it out, and then you would have to re-enter based upon this zone still holding. The shit happens, bro. We get that nice rejection. As soon as you break previous candle lows, you hop in, look to chase lows of London for a nice little 1 to 5. Is that smoothie the holy grail to become profitable? Yes. None of these technicals, none of this bullshit matters, dude. You guys fucking drink a smoothie every day and you will be profitable. I guarantee it. No cap. So what's going on today? We have this impulse leg move down. Same thing we were doing before. We're just looking for supply to participate. We got a guy sitting here. And we got a guy sitting here. Okay. Which one do we want to take as of right now? Doesn't fucking matter. Whatever one gives us a move, we take. Understanding that usually when there is a supply sitting right above this supply, it usually takes out this supply, comes up into it, and then continues lower. So just something to be cautious of. But both of these zones do have a major high to take out before continuing lower. Why is it a major high? Because it made new lows after forming that high. Very fucking simple. Smoothie and manage your risk. That's it, bro. I'm very not a manage your risk kind of guy, sir. Until we hit TP1 to put my stops to B, I really don't manage shit for the most part. Unless we're coming close to news because I don't want to get slipped. I will potentially get out of a trade, break even or with a small loss. But besides that, I really kind of try to stick to staying into the trade. Now, it's situational, sure. Sometimes I will get out if the candles aren't printing the way I want them to print. Meaning, let's try to find an example here. On gold, since we ain't trading this. But yes, I would be looking at sells in this 1932 610 area, bro. Myself. Okay. Let's say this is our demand sitting here, okay? We hop into this bitch. But stops below the zone. And we're looking to catch highs here. Okay, 1 to 1.6. Oof, rough risk to reward trade. And look what happens here. As soon as we get into this trade, we start to bleed down. And next candle, we bleed further. So you guys can wait. As soon as this candle closes, it's like, okay, you need to accept some drawdown. Don't be a little bitch. Right here. Okay, then this next candle opens and we bleed past that candle low as well. Now we have two candles printing against our side. What are the odds that we're going to continue up from this point after breaking past this low? Okay, so as soon as this happens here, holy shit. As soon as this happens here, as soon as the next candle opens up and we break past two lows of the previous candle, okay? We got one here we broke past. We're just chilling. We're in drawdown. The second one we break past it. Then it's like, okay, maybe I should get out of this trade and lose half of my percent. And if we end up continuing up from there, great, you can get back in. But if not, like which usually happens because candles aren't printing in your favor. This is 5 minute, bro. Things happen fast. Just get out of the fucking trade. Cut your loss. Most of the time, my stops are sitting below the lowest wick of the zone. And so I don't really get this opportunity to manage my risk, but sometimes when we get in aggressively, okay, came down here and we had a nice reaction right away, so we hopped in aggressively, put stops below this low here. At this point is when we could potentially manage our risk. So I hope that makes sense to you guys, but for the most part, bro, it's going to be TP or stop loss period. Okay. All right, so like we talked about, don't want to take this trade, don't want to be caught in this range, and look at this bitch fucking about to obliterate this demand. No respect at all. GU came all the way back down into this demand. We don't take demand that's not fresh, and it's put no respect on its name either. It looks like it's about to bleed right past it. AU, we've now created new lows. We have another. We've also taken out London lows, so we may potentially just continue lower here. But if we don't come up into our zone, we're not going to just hop in. We are not breakout traders. We're ex-breakout traders. And then NAS, we have now created this double bottom sitting down here. So hopefully we can start to get a retracement up into our zone and continue lower. If not, whatever, I'm chilling. We have news in 27 minutes. We have coffee break in 27 seconds. And we have a water break now. I'm going to pop in some music real quick, bro. Go make me some coffee. Is there something you guys want to listen to before I just put the stream playlist on shuffle? And I'm going to turn down desktop audio a bit because when I was trying to edit my video yesterday, it was hella fucking loud, bro. I couldn't edit shit because it was so fucking loud. How long you been trading for? About 6 years, my brother. I'm looking for a mentor. Are you profitable? Yes, I'm profitable. So I'm trading live for you guys. Hop into my group, bro. Look at all my stats, my guy. I have a journal in there which shows all the trades we take, what's our profitability, which for this month is a 71.42%. Not too fucking shabby here, sir. But you guys can view this at any time. So it's all documented. I have pictures that I show for every last one of my trades. I mean, this is a big part of my trading, bro, is journaling. Not just for you guys, but for myself as well, so I can go in at the end of the week, not back testing, just coming back and looking at my trades and seeing how fucking great I've been doing or how shitty I've been doing. Whatever. I will show payouts in my group, not showing all you motherfuckers what I'm trading on live. But yes. Dollar told me I need to start like trading my live MT4 on Zoom. I may do so. Kind of not about that lifestyle, but on my in my group, I'm down. It's cool. We have a hella small community, bro. I got 7 people in there, and I have 55 people in my free chat. So if you want to hop on free chat all week this week, I've been putting out breakdowns. Like here, I'll show you guys. So, you know, but again, if you guys are on my YouTube, you don't really need to join it because I'm doing the same shit for you guys as soon as I'm done with it. What's up, Callie? Good to see you, bro. But if you guys want to join, I've been giving breakdowns every last day just to give you guys sauce and trades that we've taken in Zen Lab. But that is ending this week, bro. I'm only giving these breakdowns away to the end of this week, and then this is going back into Zoom. Okay, before session starts, we got a New York chat, we got a free chat, testimonies and profits, which we have one person because I've only started 2 weeks ago. But we out here, bro. Let me put that Discord back over there just in case we need to call something. By the way, I love your name, bro. Validate. It's hard as fuck. I dig it. People are more concerned on money than learning. How, Sway? Yeah, I know. No cap. But it's all good though. I love people who ask questions, bro. Because there's a lot of cap in this industry, and I have no problem showing you whatever you need, bro. Just message me on Instagram at emmett.trades, and I got you covered, brother. Emmett.trades on all platforms, which is 2 platforms, YouTube and Instagram. All right, coffee break time. Callie, got your coffee? You ready to rock today, bro?
Sir.
Let me know if this is too loud for y'all, but be honest though, because yesterday, again, bro, I was trying to edit videos. I was like, oh my god, I can't fucking hear myself. I don't even know how they could hear me, bro. Thanks. I hope you didn't take it the wrong way. I recently got scammed by somebody on IG. No, not at all, bro. You should be asking questions, dude. Fuck how I feel in the first place. If people don't answer the questions that you want, then move on to somebody who will. No cap. Thanks. I hope you didn't take it the wrong way. I recently got scammed by somebody on IG at Dr. Snipe. Sheesh, I know that guy. It sucks. Tell me about it in Instagram, my guy. Or here. I don't really give a fuck. Say what you guys say. Perfect to me listening through my phone speaker. All right, cool, bro. Rick, if you go back to the record, I guess you were on recording yesterday though, but I just couldn't hear myself. And then when me and Callie went on together, that boy said, "Bro, can you turn that off? It's just too loud." Bro. All right, give me a sec, guys. I'm going to get coffee. I'll be right back. Give me 3, sir.
Subject, new paper, new class, new school, new buddies, new haters, new ass, new boobs. Much later, too soon, too bad, too cool, too hot, too lit, too high, too move, too eyes, too view, but too blind, too bloom. Who lied to you? Two middle fingers that's up high, to whom it may consume. Kaboom, goddamn, who knew that I am the guru with voodoo that sued you? The high hand with shooters that shoot through the Iron Man and see through the con man. And I hear a dime man, I turn a goddamn into a guy's plan. Go over the diagram and get to the job, man. Watch for the spy cam, sit back and watch and do not watch it. Watch hand, give me some time, man. I am the bomb man. I am gonna swim till I come out on dry land or on a frying pan. No, we did not land on Plymouth Rock, but it landed on our land. Now I'm just buying land. Back to the block where they got more rock fans than a fucking rock band. Under a rock, man. We need but rock, man. I do what I can to keep it solid as a, you know what I'm saying. With some rock plan.
You tatted your face and changed the culture.
You changed.
You scream Suwoo and them gangsters loved you.
Yeah.
You bought a Bugatti so you could flex. And most of the bad bitches you is.
I started this shit, you just part of this shit. I'm the heart of this shit, and the heart doesn't skip. Take the heart of your bitch, cause like Bart, you a simp, and your water don't drip, so your garden ain't shit. You just counting the money. I'm drowning in money, like where the fuck is the life garden this bitch? I go Mars in this bitch, watch me Arbin and shit. For the art of this shit, Andy Warhol and shit. Go retarded this shit, you go sweet tangy, I go tartar in this shit. I'm a bar from this shit, I'm a morphin' this shit. You a orphan little bitch if I taught you some shit.
Alright, bro, I'm back.
Bitch, you ain't talking about shit, but you suffer this shit. Walking like you talking, now you walking this shit. I go marble moving on some marvelous shit. In the spotlight too long, should be darker than this. Is the Carter little bitch.
Spill the beans. Sound perfect. Snipes gave me $50 for a challenge on his stream. Fire. That boy Snipes. Beware scammers, family. Scammers. I'm new to the industry. I just seen an opportunity to get my account passed quicker, and he guaranteed 100% refund of the fee he charges to pass. He blowed it and blocked me. and 2 trades with the bot. Yo, that's bad. You tried to write him in his live chat during Asia stream? Oh shit, he trades Asian stream now? Oh, I knew that. Yeah, I knew that. Yeah, that's rough, bro. I pass challenges as well. I would never offer a 100% pass rate. Oh, 100% refund. I do 50% refund. I trade it all manually. I don't have any bots at all, so. Crazy. All right, what did I miss here? Probably nothing at all. We got news in 15 minutes, guys, so we damn sure ain't doing shit until news, bro. I'm chilling out here. God, this looks really fucking good on TJ. Damn, Kylie, you missing a good song out here, bro. But I know one thing, and this is the life for me, baby, 'cause I'm a thug. Wouldn't change for the world. It's kind of clean. I just don't like it because we already have that gap filled. Dude, markets are ugly as fuck for Supply and Demand today. Not gonna cap. That wouldn't really do much. He blocked me for a reason. He felt bad and didn't know what to say. Why would I chase after him on YouTube Live? Validate, when did you start trading, bro? Oh shit, give me a sec, guys.
I'm so tight, niggas be like, that nigga got so many hoes, and I know he got clout, look in his mouth, that nigga got so many goals, telling they hoes, there's something up with that nigga, bitch, I've been watching you him, you must wanna fuck this nigga, my name alone, been known to break up happy homes, no disrespect all, but you ain't had no business even answering her phone, if your ass was home, then me and her could've been getting it on, and it could've been hitting her right, cause ever since the night she been hitting the phone, she wanna thug. Since y'all niggas wanna smoke blunts, coke guns, I'ma show you how to thug it, dawg. Give me a half a pill and some Zephyrs, and I'm like, fuck it, dawg. Long as my ecstasy got the best of me, and none of you niggas ain't stressing me. I got one request in this bitch, and you can have the rest of this shit. If a nigga drop some shit that's whack as hell and don't make no damn sense, take it back, talk about it, and tell your dog don't even buy that shit. And I don't care who he is, away from, I represent thug shit. And you ain't gotta give me my props and nominate me, cause damn it, I love this.
What the fuck? Brandon, what's up, my guy? How the fuck are you just now coming here, bro? Good to see you, my dude. Not gonna lie, buddy. Maybe instead of looking for the quick money like majority of new people do, like I used to as well, you should just learn how to take your own trades, too. Yeah, I mean, let's be real here, bro. Shit's not easy out here. Let's be really real here. I was watching this the other day. I'm like, damn, dude, I'm part of the 0.07%. Look at this guy's shorts. Here, let me turn this shit off. Not to make any of you guys sad, but let's just be realistic here for the day, okay? Right here. Which one is it? We'll go through all of them because I figure which one it is.
These prop firms are actually set up so that the rules that they have, they're actually not even that
Let me know if you guys can hear
yes, there are people that can do it, that have it sustainable, and you're going to be like, oh, look at this trader, look at this trader. That's like 3 people, bro, and you're not even profitable yet, and you think you can do that? No chance, okay? Yeah, literally goes to show. It says 10% of the people pass phase 1, and then only 24% of those 10% of people pass phase 2. So that's literally, pretty much around that 98% of traders fail point. And I think these prop firms, like, it's a great model because you really do have to be profitable, and you do have to be good at trading to be able to pass these things.
So already there is only a 2.4% chance of passing
exactly
phase 2 and
2.4%
receiving a funded
chance.
account. Now what about actually making money? According to the data, only 3% of traders who passed phase 2 reached their first profit split.
Okay, you're going
oh,
to
bro,
fail. These prop firms are actually set
we're
up
just getting started
so
here. I want you guys to see the one where he talks about.
Easy, then there wouldn't be the stat that
Okay,
you're going to fail. These prop firms are actually set up so.
Trader reacts to prop firms, dropping out of school, getting rich quick. I think it's this one.
Okay, you're going to fail. These prop firms are actually set up so that the rules that they have, they're actually not even that sustainable. Yes, there are people that can do it, that have it sustainable, and you're going to be like, oh, look at this trader, look at this trader. That's like 3 people, bro, and you're not even profitable yet, and you think you can do that? No chance, okay?
No, okay.
Yeah, literally goes to show. It says 10% of the people.
Hold on. You guys gotta watch
Getting
the
funded is
0.07.
harder than you think, based on real data. I'm sure you're well aware of how attractive prop firms may seem. They provide traders with large amounts of capital to trade with if they are able to pass a few easy challenges which cost a relatively small fee. But how easy is it really? Well, let's look at the numbers. The following data is for December 2021 from My Forex Funds, a very popular and well-known prop firm in the industry. It found that 10% of everyone who purchased a challenge passed phase 1, and of those 10%, only 24% passed phase 2.
Okay, yeah, so this just goes to show that a lot of people are buying funded accounts and they're not even profitable yet, and that's a huge issue, right? And that's why these prop firms are making so much money. You guys pretty much think that these prop firms are like an infinite money glitch, and you're just like, oh, I as long as I get one payout, I'll be good, I'll be set. Because I just
Open
need
my eyes
20
and
grand,
illuminate me.
right?
Hey, just being real, bro. These are real numbers, though.
And that's not how it's going to work.
God damn it, I can't fucking find the video. But anyways, bro, 0.07% of people actually pass to get funded as a whole from start to finish, which is a little fucking scary. So do you guys really think you're the 0.07%? Or do you think that yo ass needs to go get your own live account and trade your own capital? So if you lose 10%, you're not dead out of the water, bro. You put $1,000 into an account, you lose $100, you're out of the game. No, you're not. You still have $900 more to go. And people just don't understand that. You guys, with a 100K account, you only get to lose 10K of that account because 10% you're out of there. That means you only have a $10,000 account. You literally have to make 100% of your account to get funded. So just things to understand. I myself have failed a fuck ton of challenges, bro. It's not like I just hopped into my first challenge and fucking made it. My boy Hawk, that's in the chat, he's failed a fuck ton of challenges. We've both been funded, done it together multiple fucking times, have lost multiple accounts after being funded. The journey is not easy, bro. Risk management is everything. That's when you get that 100K funded, people want to risk that 1.5% per trade and kill the funded account as soon as they get it. I just don't do that, bro. I scale my shit back and hold it for as long as I possibly can. But again, I've lost multiple funded accounts as well through a couple companies scamming me, through me just not doing well with my trading because I had a rough month. Like, that shit happens. People just don't tell you guys that. Not to like bring you down or anything. It's definitely possible. You just have to understand that it's not a fucking easy game, and you can have a lot easier route if you just get a live account. You feel me? You guys want that 100K and making it that multiple thousands per day, but you don't even need that in your life. You can open up $1,000 account, and most of you guys making $100, $200 a day is straight for you. You guys are just overinflated with all the shit you see on Instagram. But just rest in peace, Blue Forex Funds. Come on, bro, Brandon, don't be bringing that shit in here. I'm negative. Come back to B and back to break even, straight up, down. Ha, yeah, bro. It's not easy to make 10% a month. Cat Dog Jordan, I'm trading both. MFF and my live account on Hanko Trade. I gotta stop shouting them out. They don't do anything for me, but they are a good broker. Facts. I just want to compound a little piece. That's it. I mean, we all have big goals, bro, but you guys need to start with the consistency first. Dope. Hanko are gun. Are good. Spreads are raw as fuck, dude. What you need as a scalper. Oh, today's a beautiful day. I'm making sales from my motherfucking room. Lafayette, they want you to make 100% 30 days. You're set up to fail. Eric, isn't that crazy, dude? 0.07% of people get funded. But you up those odds if you do like I did and buy fucking 15 challenges. You gotta pay to play, bro. AUD, we are melting, bro, without coming all the way up into our zone. Doesn't that hurt? Doesn't that hurt? Blue Forks Fund site didn't work last time I checked, so it might be dead. Oh, they're out of there, bro. They've been out of there for a minute. Did you lose your first funded before getting a payout? Yes, my first funded account I did not get a payout with. And that shit hurt, bro. I thought that, so my first funded account was right before I moved out here. And I thought I was about to be rich as fuck. I mean, I quit my job because we moved to Florida from Colorado. But, like, I literally thought it was over, bro. My lady didn't have to work anymore. I didn't have to work anymore. I was going to be a full-time trader. I'm going to fucking kill it. And we get out to Florida, and I had a really bad month, bro. I fucking lost my funding in, like, 3 weeks. Hawk knows this shit. And I started doing so bad, I couldn't find a job out here for a bit that would pay worse shit. Everyone was trying to offer me, like, 25, 30 bucks an hour, which for my life is just not okay. I'm sure some of you guys like that, but... and so I had to move back to Colorado, bro. I left my lady here. I left my 2 dogs here. I left my cat here, and I had to move all the way back to Colorado to work in my old job, to make money so I could pay my fucking bills out here, dude. Like I moved way too fucking quick. And so I went back out there for about 4 months. Literally didn't see my lady at all, bro. Like, just, it's fucking sad as fuck. I moved back with my mom and shit. To pay all my bills, came back out here, and then started everything over again and started taking it slower. And then I started doing very fucking well for myself. I've had multiple live accounts that I've done very well with, but nothing on levels like people show you, like flipping 100 to 1,000 bucks. And a lot of the times, the live accounts I had, I needed to pay my actual bills with while working. So I was never able to like go ham with the risk management and risk 20% per trade, or I've just had a different journey than all the other gurus who are able to make 1,000% in 2 weeks and shit. But here we are now, 10 plus accounts down the road. At least 10 accounts failed. I've been funded 5 times through 4 different companies. I've lost 2 of them due to me bullshitting. I've lost 2 of them due to it being a fucking scam company. And I have my current one now with MFF for 100K. And I think FTMO and MFF are dope as fuck. But I think MFF is better challenge-wise just because of what it takes to get funded, which is 8% to pass and 12% drawdown. So it gives you that extra trade, unlike FTMO, which is just 10 and 10 on both sides. So I hope that helps you guys out again. I'm not here to fucking fluff you, bro. Shit is just not that easy, and it took me a long time to become profitable with prop firms, dude. And that's why even me, myself, I'm trying to get the fuck out of it and only trade my live account. It just takes time for me to get a $100,000 account. Unfortunately, because all the goddamn bills I decided to stack up since I moved out here by buying all this shit, dude. Who owns Blue Forex funds? I think Casper does. I mean, same thing with brokers. Their statistics similar. Most people lose their account. Only less than 4% stay alive over the 5 years time frame. Like, just because you trade your own capital doesn't mean you're going to be profitable. Yeah, but you have a lot better chance, bro, because you can risk more than 10%. Not per trade, I'm just saying in general before losing the account. As bad as it sounds, you need those people who are failing and losing. That's how the small percentage get paid. No sum game, my guy. You got to lose for me to win. I got 15 days on my phase 1 and I just can't get past 1% on a 20K challenge. Stick to your guns, though, brother. What are you on, MFF? As long as you're in profit by the end of the month, you can get another retry. You should be proud of yourself for not losing that shit like most people do in a week. Hello, gang. Emmett, why don't you buy a 200K or 300K from MFF? I'm actually going to buy a 200K as soon as I get back from Colorado, which will be in like 10 days now. And I want to do it all with you guys. Like, I want to do the whole fucking challenge with you guys. I think that'll be fun as shit. We lose together, we win together, whatever. Callie's going to call out a guest trade for us, too. You making me want to deposit a little 500 into live. Bro, run that motherfucker up. Understand your risk. Are you going to be a fixed lot trader? We're going to trade, you know, 0.5 or 1 lot per trade? Or are you going to do a fixed percentage trader where you trade 5 or 10% per trade? And just stick to that for a whole month. Consistency is everything. It's not even about being right all the time, bro. Just sticking to a consistent plan. And as long as you have a higher R to R, you're probably going to be fine over the course of time. Yes, you may lose 10%. Yes, you may lose 20% on a live, but you still have so much room to go before you actually blow that account. And I swear you'll be proud of yourself by just sticking to your guns. What would you do if you had to start all over again? I would get rid of this house and my cars and the boat and the jet ski and all of my fucking bills, and I'd go live in a fucking trailer, and so all my money would go towards a live account so I can fast track my shit. My bills are so high, dude. But if I had to start over again, it's the strategy jumping for me. The reason why it took me so long to become profitable, bro, is hardcore 1000% strategy jumping over and over and over again. I'd fucking kill it. I talk about it on my Instagram all the time because that's what I fucking did, bro. I would kill something for a couple weeks. I always have that really good beginner's luck with the new strategy and do very well for a couple weeks, maybe a month. And then as soon as I start doing bad, I'd say, okay, bro, there's got to be. I go towards another strategy and the same exact thing happens. We got news just came out coming up into our zone. But just stick it in one strategy, bro. One strategy that fits my schedule, that fits what I want in the market, which is higher R to R, and then I would just stick to it without deviating from it. And I think I'd be a lot further than I am now if I were to have done that. Hello, Teeter. What's up, brother? First time on stream, but long time follower. Well, kind of long time follower. What's up, bro? How you doing? Okay, so AUD USD coming up into the zone. GJ coming down into our zone. 15-minute demand, which I fucking love. Gap sitting before it. We are about to take out these London lows before getting down into it. This is my favorite setup of the day. GU still just consolidating in this range. Like I told you guys, we will wait for new structure. We don't want to fuck with this at all. I don't care what happens in this range. I'm chilling, bro. AU still coming up into our zone, and then NAS is doing nothing at all. But it is making its way. So we got a couple setups here, so be ready, guys. I'm bringing lay music back in. Let me turn this bitch down because Apple Music is crazy with the sounds, bruh. Let me know if it's too loud. Hey, Eric, I need the money, bro. Oosh. That's how people lose a lot of money, my friend. We all need the money, my guy. Market's not going to give it to you, though. Unless you put some respect on his name. It's good? Okay, bro. Thank you. Sky Blue in the house. loud as fuck in my ear. There we go. Okay, so what's coming up to us first? GJ, just continuing to consolidate. GU, we're just gonna take that shit off of our list right now. AU's coming up into our shit. We got 2 minutes till candle closure, so let's see what happens here. By the Glock 9. Or give it to your family. The money you're trying to donate to the market, go to the casino. Chill, bro. Hawk, I got you, bro. I saw that. And that's how you fucking obliterate a zone. So what happened here, guys? We're in a bullish trend. I mean, 200 is kind of flat, but you go to the hourly. Obviously, we've been fucking flying for a minute, bro. We came down, tapped that 68,000 level. We came down, took out London lows, and we ended up flying, bro. It's all good. We have another supply sitting up here. But will we take this? No, bro, because the 200 is now not on our side, and we understand we're probably going to continue further. A guy is patient out here, bro. GJ is making its way down for our trend trading buys. And Naz is chilling in this range. We can run it like this since we're only looking at 2 pairs now. Ooh la la. This is all we're waiting for. Emma is a good example of there's certain things you can't explain to new traders till they experience it. Eric, why you doubt me? He is now doubting you. He's telling you the truth that it's not a get rich fast, and if you have that mindset of needing money from the markets, you will lose more than you win. Things just take time, my brother. You've said you've been trading. Let me scroll up here. I think you've been trading a couple months. They're not showing shade on you, bro. Both of these guys that you're talking to have been in the markets for multiple years, so they just understand the mindset that you're in, bro. It just takes time. And you have to go through all the ups and downs. Okay, let's say I just give you my fucking head and I show you my strategy through and through exactly what I do. I bet you it'll still take you months, if not years, to become profitable off of it, because you have to make it true to you. You have to go through all the ups and downs. You have to go through the I fucking win 3 or 4 trades in a row, so I feel like I'm the shit. And then you'll over leverage the 5th trade, and you lose all of that in one trade. You have to go through losing 7, 8 trades into a row, thinking you ain't shit, you're never going to make it, and trying to figure out a way to get back into the market. You have to go through every last stage. And until you do, emotionally and strategically as well, because most people can't follow something, especially our era where we don't have a attention span longer than 30 seconds, bro. You will not get to the level you want to get to. You have to experience it all. I always thought stepping into this game when I start teaching people that if you can teach people in a clear manner, they can get things done. And there are outliers who can understand things very quick and become profitable very quick. But for the most part, you as a trader yourself, no matter how good your mentor is, you have to go through all of that shit, bro. Not to be discouraging to you, just making you understand you're going against the most intelligent minds in the world, bro, which is in the finance. You know, once you master finance, you've mastered you've mastered the world. You're the monopoly master. And to get to that level, you're going to have to fight through everybody who's went to school, who's went to finance school, the markets, which is set up to go against human emotion. You have to go through all of these barriers to become profitable. I don't think it's an easy journey, but once you understand what you're doing and your placement in the markets, I think things can be very easily. How long will it take to be profitable? Depends, bro, from person to person. I feel like I'm sounding very discouraging, but I'm not, bro. It just takes time. Some people get it down in a couple months. Some people get it down in a couple years. Like I said, dude, it took me almost five years, probably like 3 years to become profitable. I've been trading for 5 years now. Shit is just not easy for me. But again, my downfall was not because I'm a fucking idiot, was not because I didn't take as much time in the charts as the next person. It's just because I continued to switch strategies and I wouldn't stick to one thing. Somebody else's issue may be because of funding. So they keep trying to flip a $50 account instead of just trying to save up at their job and get a 5K account and give themselves more leverage in the markets to continue further with that account. Some people may be emotions. You know, you can't handle a loss because you're so used to winning at your job. I had a problem with this. I've always been the best at all my jobs, and I get into trading and I get wrecked, and I'm like, what the fuck, bro? I'm usually better than everybody at everything. You have to go through that shit. There's just multiple layers you need to peel back. That's why I always say the markets will actually show you, they'll show you a lot about yourself that you never knew in the past. How much did you lose? Me, bro? Bro, on challenges alone, probably like over 10K, I'd say, at least bare minimum. And then on live accounts, probably less than that, probably between 5 to 10K. So, you know, 15 to 20K I've lost before becoming profitable. I just started doing really well for myself, bro. Like, this is all very new to me since I moved out here in Florida. It's been a very rough patch beforehand. All the emotions, like I said, just fucking do very good for a month, and I think I'm rich and I can quit all my jobs and then end up doing so and getting fucked, bro, because bills don't stop, but winning streaks do sometimes. Bro, I'm 2 years in the game and still not profitable or consistent, but there is no way back. Yeah, Mickey is a gambling addict, just like the rest of us. It's trading gambling. Sure, of course, bro. Do you know what's going to happen when you put in that trade? No, so it's gambling. There's a strategic way to gamble, just like people make millions off of gambling, but nothing is for certain. Yes, you can get better at it and learn things, but nobody's out here winning 100% of the time. And I'm 3 years in the game, 1 year consistent. I'm looking to get profitable in between this year. As soon as you start to understand the importance of your mind, you will see progress faster. Yeah, I know a lot of people say it's what you do outside of the charts too, and your health matters. You got to start focusing on yourself as far as going to the gym and all this like shit. I mean, I dig that, bro. Work on yourself as well, but I don't think any of that matters as far as becoming profitable. Just sticking to a system that works, even through the ups and downs. How long you been trading for, Callie? I don't think I've ever asked you before, bro. Thanks for answering my questions. I'll reach out to you on Instagram. Yeah, bro, hit me up. I got you. I'm here to help, dude.
A little over 3 years, bro.
A little over 3? How long did it take you to become profitable?
About 2.5.
2.5. See, bro, like it just takes time. There's very small percentage of people who hop in here within 3 months. It's like, bro, I'm out here making racks and shit. It just takes time. Callie, did you go through multiple strategies or did you stick to one thing and it just took you a while to get it down?
Oh, no, bro. I went through all kinds of strategies.
You know, we got to talk about how much money we spent on courses, bro. Fuck the funded accounts and live accounts. I've probably spent like thousands on courses. Daniel Savage's course, Q Bank's course, Ryan's course, TJR. I've went to Doyle's course. Never did the ICT because you guys are weird as fuck. SMC, even though I trade, there's just a really weird fucking community of like people I feel like I wouldn't get along with in real life. I'm just kidding, bro. Oh shit, but yeah, just a gang of courses and webinars, bro, and investing myself. So the biggest course I ever bought is called Online Trading Academy, OTA. Look at this shit, bro. Let me see if I can find it on Google, if there's still a thing. I went to school for trading, bro, out in Colorado, Online Trading Academy. Bro, I spent 7 racks on this course. This is by far the outlier of everything else from all the Instagram gurus. I went to class, bro, every single day, and try to learn like rally-based rallies and drop-based drop and drop-based rallies. It was pretty much 4 different strategies that they teach, but in a very detailed manner. You know, like 1 month was talking about liquidity, and then 1 month was talking about how to trade like the banks, and 1 month was talking about retail and why you're not supposed to trade like retail and how they do retail traps and blah, 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 blah. Very, a lot of helpful knowledge, but I just wasn't getting anywhere with it. But 7 racks, bro, for 1 fucking course. I paid for that shit. I couldn't pay for that shit up front. They literally put me on a financing program, and I was paying like $150 a month to that shit, going to class every single day. And then I got this little, oh my God, bro. I know I have it somewhere here. Let me try to find it. I got a certificate from them when I passed the course, the Online Trading Academy course. I know I have it somewhere in here. I'd have to go through my shit, bro. But like, I've been in the game for a minute, dude. Okay, GU's coming down. Nat GJ is coming down. Naz is kind of just chilling. So go back to 1. Emmett felt like a banker. Nah, bro, you got me fucked up. You had all these people in there dressing in suits and like trying to be in Wall Street. I still was wearing my nice little snapback, bro. Clean little jeans on and t-shirt, bro. I don't change for nobody. I've been in labor and construction my whole life, bro. So I'm the guy who's going to show up to an interview with some fucking jeans on and a nice shirt. But the way I present myself, I'm going to get the job. Doesn't matter what you fucking wear. It matters how you talk and present yourself. You light your cigar with that? Damn right, sir. I think cigars are for fat, unhealthy people. Unless you're Andrew Tate, I guess. Which I try, bro. I'm like, ooh, this is a nice rejection we're getting before coming into this TJ demand. I watched probably like 2.5 hours of that podcast that he just came out with, bro. He's a fucking really amazing individual, honestly. That boy knows a lot of fucking shit. My girlfriend hates the shit out of him because she thinks he's a woman beater and she can't stand the motherfucker, but I think he's a badass individual. He knows a lot of shit. I'm dying to you, fucking haters. Tate is the man, smart as fuck. He is smart as fuck, bro. The boy said he donates $25 million a year to charity. He's talking about motherfuckers that say he was a sex trafficker and shit. He said, by the way, and I'm not, but all these motherfuckers who act like they're advocating for this shit, he said, they don't donate to any of these causes. They don't help anybody. Meanwhile, I'm out here giving $25 million a year to these types of charities to protect women and this and that. I was like, sheesh. Talk your shit, bro. What the fuck can you say to that?
I'll be right back, bro.
All right, bro. Yeah, that coffee be flowing through me, bro. I got a piece on every fucking like hour. On NFP Day, what's on NFP Day, bro? A 100 lots after watching Tate's video. I'm dead. Let's run it, bro. 100 lots ain't shit on MFF, bro. Yesterday, I threw in, because their contract size is 10, which is just retarded, bro. It's honestly absolutely ridiculous. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 110 lots on Naz yesterday. Like, what the fuck? Doesn't even make sense. I grew up in the era before these prop firms where 0.1, was fucking crazy, bro, on all indices. Because contract size was correct. It wasn't times 10. Would you travel to Jamaica? Of course, bro. I've already traveled to Jamaica. I went to Jamaica and Grand Cayman Islands on a cruise. Said I'm blind to you, haters. Naz is starting to come up. I do like this Naz setup a little bit better than GJ. Just because we broke past these London lows and we're not showing any type of respect. But we'll see what we get first. Ain't no beaches around here, sir. People are smoking G's whole day. What I got? I got 2 minutes. All right, I'm about to go rush out of pee, bro. As hard as I possibly can. I just needed time. Okay, so we're looking for a nice reaction now upon hitting the zone. And then if this previous candle were to break, which we're not showing a decent reaction yet, we will hop into this trade. I don't like how big that stop will be, so hopefully we could stop here and just start to continue higher, but 13 pips is fine with me, bro. Let's run it. Who can you call? My damn bitch. I would definitely take these NAS sales too, which are so much fucking cleaner, bro. 14,950 psychological level, taking out this high before coming up into it. 200 is on our side, not just sitting flat. Very fucking clean, dude. Okay, here we go. As soon as you break this previous candle highs, I am in this bitch. If we don't, I'm not. Getting it ready for the group. I know my boy Cali be annoyed as fuck if he misses this trade, bro. For some reason, he's always out when I got trades going on. Would've came back to you to do what I had to do. Just put a little bit below this low. But here goes nothing. Which will put our TP1 right here, sir. Now that we've been into this supply twice, I think we could definitely take this bitch out and go chase our London highs, which would be a beautiful 1 to 4.5. But obviously we got to get there first. Shit, we got to get in the trade here first. I really would like to start trading above this 178,500 level before we start getting real confident with the trade. 100. If we get taken out of this and come down to zone and still expect it to continue higher, I probably won't take it if Naz is doing well as well. We'll probably just take that Naz setup instead, which is fucking flying up into it, sir. It's too quick. It's too quick. He talks a lot about the things we can't control. Very true, bro. He does. Bro, Bill Ackman is the GOAT, bro. That boy's got a mouth on it. Oh, Callie's back. All right, bro. We're looking at these buys right here, Callie, but Naz is looking so fucking clean as well. It looks actually a lot cleaner than GJ, so might have to be quick on the trigger here. Matrix God, do you live in Jamaica, bro? Why'd you ask that? Okay, now Naz has hit up into our zone as well. So fire. I remember. I can't forget. Just waiting for a candle break. If we go all the way up into these extremes, we can take an aggressive entry. But here, sitting before we have this gap to fill before coming up into here, no aggressive entries, guys. Just chill. Just chill. GJ here, not showing much respect here. Oh, dope, bro. What part are you in? I went to, I didn't go to Kingston, bro. It's right next to Kingston when we went. I don't fucking remember. Currently in Naz buys from 14,900. Beautiful. Nice little liquid grab at this level. They fucks with it. We might go against it here, brother. Okay, so GJ's out of there. No trade. No respect. Moving on. This is our focus here now. Another fat fucking stop, same as yesterday. It's so annoying. We still have a 1 to 2 to get down to our next price range. I remember. I'm from Manchester, but living in Kingston currently. Oh, dope, bro. It's a beautiful place. It's the first time I ever went out of the country, and I went Jamaica, Kingston, or Grand Cayman Islands, and then to what's it called, Portugal a couple months ago. That's it. I've been everywhere in the United States, so literally, like almost every state. It's kind of crazy. Stick up. Bang, 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 stick up. Damn, it's right at the 14,900 level. I do not mind that, mate. Just make it tighten up though with the next 5-minute candle. We'll see. Where'd you go in Portugal? I went to Lagos, bro, and then I went to Faro, and then I went to Lisbon. So we made our way from south all the way up north. Beautiful, beautiful fucking place. Oh my god. Are you planning to go to Asia? Of course, bro. I'm planning to go everywhere except for the United States. Get me the fuck out of here. No shade to the United States. I literally have just been everywhere here. I want to outsource and go to different places before no one allows us to come there anymore. Really like some heavier exhausting up in the zone. Sir. I don't want it to come all the way up here. Where do you go when you go visit, bro? I never went to Amsterdam, bro. Is that where you live? Bro, I go crazy out in Amsterdam. You guys don't have any rules. A lot of investors exiting on GJ, no doubt about it. Yeah, bro. Took out my zone, though. Came down to, I guess, to this lower zone. I would love to go to Amsterdam. Oh my God, GU is just disgusting, bro. Get the fuck out of here. We started to have destruction on GJ form for sales, but 200 still not on our side, and we're still clearly bullish as fuck. I'm not going to take this bottom zone now that we're looking at NAS. I'm just looking to get into a NAS sales here. We got 1 minute till this 5-minute closes. Fatal attraction. My baby. And 20 points. That makes me feel a lot better about this trade than 30, sir. Ooh, you so toxic, radioactive. Lately I've been running out of patience. Alright, looks like this is gonna be our trade here. Fatal attraction. Why you murder me, my baby? Fatal attraction. She kill when she passing. Why you murder me, my baby? We at 179. What are you talking about, Eric? What you talking about, Willis? Oh, DJ. As soon as it passes this line, guys, we are in there. Let me clear this up for you guys a bit. Bring this over. We'll pay on. So out my mind. Fatal attraction. Why you murder me, my baby? Fatal attraction. She kill when she passing. Why you murder me, my baby? I was outside, it's 10:15. All hell breaking loose when you finally walk in. All fuck breaking news every time we fly. Will the win streak continue? You stab me deep and then you griping. Ooh, you so toxic, radioactive. Trying to make a scene with me every time you embarrassing. All that back and forth, but you want horses and carriages. Oh, you draining me. Oh, you draining me. Lately I feel stuck in one place. And lately I've been running out of patience. Honestly, I feel so out my mind. And honestly, I wouldn't mind the time. Fatal attraction. She kill when she passing. Why you murder me, my baby? Fatal attraction. She kill when she passing. Why you murder me, my baby? Bruh. What the fuck? Shit. We should at least be able to get down here to our 1-to-1. Same way we enter the market, we exit the market. I think it's a 1-to-1 before hitting this. Oh yeah, love it, dude. Fucking love that. This is very enjoyable. The anticipation is killer. Parker, you a trader? How long you been trading for, bro? Okay, let's see. Blowing up my phone. Won't leave me alone. I'm gonna put this guy up here first. Almost a 1 to 2 before hitting our psychological 14,900. We should be fine. What's up?
Are you in already?
Yeah, I'm in, bro. As soon as it passed that line. Send it to group too. Ooh, that's ugly. I thought we were about to get a nice little quick TP right quick, but I don't know, sir. We could easily make it up here, guys, before melting off, but should be fine. We'll see here. Holy fuck, bro. For real, that quick? Ouch. I'm still in this bitch, but I'm hella close to stop loss. Oh yeah, we out of there, bro. This shit's gonna take me out for sure. Nasty 5-minute close. So we'll wait to see what happens when we come up into this next zone. I'm out of there, dude. Jesus Christ, that was quick. No forex for about 3 years now, but wasn't taking it serious. Being consistent now for 6 months straight. Not a fan of that, sir. If we come all the way up here, I will participate in these cells, sitting at another psychological level, another gap sitting before our zone. This is also a 15-minute supply. We'll just have to see when we get down there. But ouch, bro. That's 2 and 1 for the week. I swear if this bitch takes me out and then continues lower, bro, I'll be annoyed. AU, we're almost coming up into our supply sitting up here. GU, not doing much. We just took out London highs, but we're in buy. So if we were to take out London lows, we could participate, not London highs, because we're just going against trend. So no liquid grab here for me. And then GJ, of course, is holding on this bottom fucking zone that we didn't take because it took out our initial 15-minute demand sitting right here. What can you do, bro? Still, this is my favorite setup, but now we have to wait all the way until it comes a bit higher. I see you, Matrix. It's clean, bro. No way, bro. Don't fucking play me out here. Take me out by, what, 2 points? The reason I'm not hopping back in this trade, guys, is because we obliterated my zone completely. So it's just a no trade for me until we come up to this higher zone. I'm only retaking a trade, so let's say we put our stops here and we get taken out. We still hold this zone. I put another trade in, put my stops above the zone, and then see what happens there. We still got 20 minutes till session 2. Hello, teacher. You go put this in my journal. Keep it straight. Damn, bro, lost our fucking undefeated week, bro. L here, which puts us at a now 63.8% win rate for the month. Not too well. I'm telling y'all, get off my dick. Okay, bring it on up here, sir. I don't think we're gonna come up into this zone until we hit session, unfortunately. It kind of sucks. Oh, as a yeah. Shaking all ass on the pole. Going outside. I bet I put all my bitches on. No. Eric, I think he's in jail, bro. Is he not in jail? I know he was talking about he had to turn himself in or some shit. I was like, all right, bro, this guy's... No shade, though, whatever, but... That boy is fucking rough, dude. Okay, we're getting new structure here forming on GU, finally. GJ's kind of just chilling in this demand. AU just hit up our zone for a retracement trade. This 200 is kind of sitting flat, so we can't really go off of this, but we have been buying up since London. We just came out, took out those London lows, and then tapped into our demand. So do we want to go against our bias as far as trend? No, we do not. We just have to understand where the market could potentially go from here.
What up, bro?
What up, player? How you doing, bro?
I'm chilling, bro. How are you?
Chilling.
Taking any trades yet?
I took Naz just now and fucked us up. Of course, now we're coming down too.
I'm only looking for buys for everything right now.
Yeah, we're kind of flying. We took out these London lows sitting here. I just didn't want to take it because we're going against my bias for the day. Obviously, 200's on our side for sales. So as soon as it came up here and broke previous candle low, I fucking sold, bro. And then immediately took us out. Now we're starting to continue back down. So we'll see. I told them I'm not getting back in this trade just because my zone is already fucking obliterated. So chilling. Niggas class. 60 cash. Of course, GJ. Tumulus trade. What's up, brother? Dollar sent me. How did he send you, bro? He's like, puts it in his group. Hey, go see Emmett right now. How you doing, brother? Good to see you here. Shaking all ass on the floor, all ass. Hey. That's pretty dirty, Naz. Not gonna cap.
The market actually looks pretty clean today.
I mean, not for me until now. We're starting to get some new structure here. Bullshit, girl, shaking. Brutal, bro. I'll be a little annoyed if this bitch just melted down before coming up into our supply. Oh. Beautiful lies. Don't break my heart.
She's an emotional wreck right now. She got some things on her chest right now. I bet she looking at my text right now. So hit me back, don't do me back like that. Can't take you back if you in the past like that. On the reason why you been in your bag like that. Don't get this shit confused. You lied to me, I won't believe you again. But fuck that shit, you never see me again. Came in my life and now you leaving again. You telling me
Beautiful lies.
don't break my heart. Tell me beautiful lies. I want to believe you when you say that you always love me that way. Tell me beautiful lies. Beautiful lies.
What can I say to you? Hopefully nothing I can take back. We're getting farther from the right track.
Yeah, what are you looking at, bro? I don't see nothing clean. G's finally make a new structure for this demand level.
Well, I'm saying like, well, nothing's happening right now. I'm saying like, compared to how the markets have been, where it's just been doorstepping in one direction, at least it's making like trend.
Some
like,
retracements, yeah, I dig that.
I'm waiting for gold right now. And AU.
Hey, you buys?
Yeah.
Down here?
Hold on, let me go and zoom. No, the upper one.
This guy here? Sheesh.
Yeah.
You can have that, good sir. Get up there, good sir. We got 15 minutes till live, guys. I'll stay on, I don't know, 9:30, maybe 10. Kick it with you guys for a bit. This is the time my phone starts blowing up, so if I have to leave or whatever, just be aware, good sir. Okay, out of there. Out of there. Out of there. Out of there. Just gotta remember to put that back. I keep all my trades on my chart, dude. I honestly love that shit. So I can always go back. We can always look at all the trades we take. Since the beginning of time. All of them, bro. I guess that's my form of back testing, is going back to see the trades I've already taken.
You keep your trades on your chart?
All of them, bro. I used to, when I first met you guys, I'd have my trading charts, and then these back testing charts down here, I would keep them all on here, but now they're just all on the same chart, bro.
So gross.
So gross. So much data.
So gross. I hate seeing all those tags on the price line.
These here?
Well, where are yours at? Because usually
I deleted them. You're talking about for positions?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just click it, settings, style, delete the price label so they're not on there. Then you can have a million trades.
It's nice having price labels on it, because then like when you have your SL, it's already just set on the side. It tells you the number, so you just set it on your MetaTrader.
Yeah, but I just go up to it. It shows you price. Right click, copy price, boom, go send it over to the chat. Know what I'm saying?
I didn't know that was a thing. What the fuck?
Yeah, look. Are you on my Zoom?
Yeah.
So look right here, 15.010. Click it, copy price, and then you can go put it somewhere.
Sheesh.
Don't care. This guy's out of there. GJ's just chilling at this demand, brother. So if we would have hopped in on the smaller, lower zone, but there's too many demands, bro. I'm not fucking with this. I was only fucking with this 15-minute. You guys be sitting right here. You can put your stuff below down here for a 20 pipper, or you could put it down here for a 15 pipper, and be chasing at least up to this 178,500 level, and then to continue further to get back into our next price range. Got to be a little cautious here 10 minutes before session. I'm just chilling, guys, waiting for something. Callie, you looking at anything?
I'm looking at gold too.
Gold buys?
Yeah.
Fish and grits and all the pimp shit. I assume this is what you guys are looking at?
The bottom one, yeah.
Bro, gold was so clean yesterday. Beautiful fucking trade sitting here. Naz is making its way up. Don't break my heart. Tell me beautiful lies. What a pump from GU, bro. We had to, bro. Like, this is just disgusting. But now we have new structure here. We have a nice little gap before coming down into it. I'm just waiting for some type of low to form to take out before coming up into it. And then obviously you have this extreme demand sitting down here. We already have a low to take out before coming down into it. So we'll kind of just see what happens here. Fucking finally, bro. GJ, obviously expecting for GJ to continue higher too. killing. Good thing there's nothing to trade right now. Work is killing my concentration. It's all good, bro. We only got 7 minutes to session. Oh my god, I forgot to call this motherfucker. He's tripping on it. Crown by that purple bag. They know I'm sipping on that. Oh, hopefully gold didn't pick its direction. Y'all know how that go, bro. That bitch will never come back. Everything, though. We're just fucking flying, dude. There's Nas coming up to us, making its way. Right now, we sipping on that. Alright, I might go make this call real quick. While we're waiting for session, I got 5 minutes here. Alright, give me a sec here, guys. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I'll answer them in here. I'll just be fucking messaging you.
All right, I'm out. I'm gonna go trade in my group.
All right, later, bro.
There you goes. Have a good one. Like a Corolla, ayy. Made my cousin a killer. And at 15, I was neighborhood drug dealer. Oh, I feel like nothing's gonna come back to us. We got 3 minutes till session, guys. I'll stay on here till like 9:45.
Made a band on gold, bro.
Bye, cease.
Yeah, dude, I got in.
Right here.
I got in at. Well, 1 second, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I got in at 1938.71. I took it up to
Oh, a little bit higher. Okay, yeah, pretty much where I'm at. What made you stop trading breakouts? Dollar is what made me start trading breakouts, bro. I was a Fibonacci trader before I joined onto a ship, but I just went to a rough patch of not doing well with the breakouts. I've always like higher R to R, which you get by taking retracement trades. So I'm still just a retracement trader, but I'm using supply and demand to catch those trades within the retracement, within that impulse leg. It's always talk about impulse leg.
I got out at 1-1. It's gonna go to 1-2.
You said what?
I got out at 1-1, but it's gonna go. I had it marked up for 1-2.
Of course it is, bro. You're gonna take your ass all the way up to the supply. He was just waiting for you to get out first.
What?
These are clean cells sitting up here too, bro. Should we take a fucking gold trade in this bitch? We got 2 minutes till session, guys. Murder, 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 keep my slugs. Let's take them, G. Let's see what happens when we get up here, bro. No cap. Thomas the clean as fuck. 5 minute, 15 minute, and hourly supply sitting up here. With them bitches, I don't get it. You're a starlet. Yeah, it's hella clean, bro. Fuck with this. Naz is coming up to us too. We got 1 minute till session, so let's see here. Well, like 1 second till session. What are you so afraid of? Bro, no way you're about to bleed now. Yeah, bring that ass here, boy. So looking something like this, guy. We just want to tap up into the zone. We can put stops above this zone, which is still in the middle of our 15 minute. And then as soon as it breaks, give us a nice little 1-6. How about it? And if we get clapped on this trade, then we out of here, bro. I'm moving on. I'm not taking more than 2 trades in a day. I 1-5 for the week is now +4 for the week. If we lose this, that'll be +3 for the week. 2 and 2. Is GU starting to make its way down? It is, it is. Who better for you than the boy, huh? I know you've been through more than most of us. We don't got much volume in the markets right now. Like at all. And what was news? News came out positive, which is negative for NAS. Unemployment came out negative as fuck though. Like shit. The 200's holding. We're selling off. Are we gonna get our trade, or we just take us out from our first trade and then sell off? Drake used to be the GOAT, bro. I don't listen to any of his new music anymore. I don't know why. Probably because my girlfriend's a big fucking hater of the dude, so she probably made me into a hater, but I like all of his old shit. Oh, that's brutal, bro. Fuck out of here, bro. Fuck out of here. What was I 1-1 at here? It's fucked up. Fuck you, bitch. They gonna make us lose our winning week, our undefeated week with this weak ass shit, bro. Come up into our supply. Let's get this money back, fellas. Good shit on that gold buy, Callie. It's fire.
Thank you.
F Naz. You know what I'm saying, bruh? Fuck you, bro. Get a big fuck you from me. We haven't hit TP1 yet, though, so maybe we'll come all the way up there. We ain't hitting TP if this hits anyways, because we are out of this bitch. Lafayette, here FX offering 100% deposit bonus if your broker offer that. Question your decisions. It's... Hanko Trade does that too, bro. It's just a credit. So, you have to trade a certain amount of lots for them to actually give you that money. So you can't just get the 100% deposit and then withdraw it all right away. You have to trade a certain amount of lots before that credit turns into your actual balance. And it is a fuck ton of lots. Like a crazy amount of lots. So, it's a good marketing, I'm not gonna say scheme, a marketing tactic to get people onto your broker, but the chances of you guys trading like 400 or 500 lots on your $1,000 account for that to actually go from balance to or from credit to balance is just a little low. Just saying. We see right through all that marketing shit in Zen Lab, bro. We keep it real over here. But it feels good though, you know. You put a little 5K. Well, you put a little $100 in, and then you get a little $200 account, and you feel like you have it, but you don't. You got to trade an insane amount of lots. Y'all have a good day, fellas. The melatonin kicking in. Rick, later, brother. Appreciate you for always showing up. Just means you're banging more commissions. Bring your ass here, Naz. Fuck going on here? GU started to make its way. GJ sitting at this supply, sitting up here. Nice little gap before it. We're just not going against this. Kind of clean though. Gold. Gold is making its way. Matrix later, brother. Appreciate you for showing up. I'm out of here too, bro. I got like 10 more minutes. We're just trying to take this little second trade, but Naz looks like it just wants to hit our fucking TP without coming up to us. What can you do, bro? Our bias was correct. Our timing was not. It's all good. Yeah. I just want to see it either come up to TP1 or come up to the supply, and then we'll call it here, guys. I am trying to catch a second trade, though. It's still early. Eric, why don't you go get you your 100% deposit, bro? What's wrong with it? don't think that's Lambo Raul's broker, bro. I'm not sure. Don't quote me, but I don't think it's his broker. Let's go, Bull. But you was scared. I started laughing. Then you got mad. Of course, it's not his broker. Trying to say, bro. She don't like the way that I'm living. Okay. Naz is coming with full fucking pressure up to this bar. Jesus. What are the rest of our pairs doing? Still just continuing higher, bro. Wow, it's amazing. Wow. When I look out, they be like, what the fuck? What the fuck is that little nigga drive? Plus my bitch fly, so together we flying. Alright, bro. Bring it on in, sir. On a go charge. Ain't shit to do. Dang it, this lady who just followed me says she makes over 50% to 120% profit daily. It's amazing. Alright, last one, best one, fellas. Gold just came up into that zone, but we got our pair coming in, so we chilling. Gold is about to disrespect the fuck out of that small zone, it looks like. Fuck with her forever.
Oh shit, you live in the canyon. How big is your mansion? Yeah. Fresh out of school, now you working and focus on fashion. Pretty girl and you let go.
When you find out prop firms actually faking big payouts and posting interview to convince more people they are trustworthy, welcome to the industry. The fuckery's never ending, my friend. That's why I'd say a lot of people get here through the gurus and shit, so I appreciate it. But if you guys want to focus on actually making money, you need to just cut the shit, bro. Stop following all these motherfuckers and focus on your own journey. Except for me, bro. Don't stop following me. No respect. Quick sauce out there for the slow people. They ain't slow, Eric. It just took time to realize these things, just like it took you. Some people just knew. Is it new or is it slow? Me in California. It's an aggressive entry type of trade, but we're showing no love to this fucking zone, bro. Came deep into it within the first like 3 seconds before rejecting. In California. N-I-G-G-A. How big is this stop if we were to take this as a candle break instead of aggressive? Oh, 31. I don't want to do that. I say likewise. It ain't a lie, bro. It sure fucking do. Yeah, I met her at the one. Why you acting like you don't remember? It's out of there, bro. All right, that's gonna be it for me, sir. I don't need to rush anything. If I do get a call, obviously it'll be for VIP. Although I'm not seeing shit right now, bro. Like my zones are just getting obliterated. We were just wrong with this trade. We weren't early. It seems like we're just wrong. So AU not coming back anywhere. GU not coming back anywhere. GJ is now reacting off of the supply, but that is going against our bullish bias. So we just don't fuck around. Gold is done, bro. Cali could have made a 1 to 20 right now. What is Cali doing, bro? All right, guys. You guys have a good day. I will see you tomorrow. Same time, 7:30. Appreciate you all for showing up. Take care.